Every day, your vehicle's paint is exposed to damaging elements, rain, dust, excessive sun exposure, and all of Oregon's range of climates, leaving behind dirt, water spots, and blemishes. Ceramic coating is a liquid polymer solution that solidifies into a glass-like layer above your paint, giving it the highest level of protection. With this protection comes an enhanced metallic texture and richer color. Our process begins with a thorough wash and removal of any prior polishes, ensuring a perfectly clean surface for application. Next, we conduct a two-stage paint correction to restore the paint to its finest form. The last step is hand application of the ceramic coating. Carefully, every inch of your paint is gently coated in this new layer of protection. Once cured, this hydrophobic layer enables water-containing possibly harmful contaminants to bead off with ease. Wherever you drive, wherever you park, you'll be protected.